In today's world, ballistic missiles represent the cutting edge of military power and technological advancement, exploring the most powerful and sophisticated missiles from around the world. From the United States' advanced Sentinel to Russia's unstoppable Sarmat, these are the missiles that define the future of warfare. Get ready to dive into the world of intercontinental ballistic missiles, learn about their incredible capabilities, and understand why these weapons remain at the heart of global security strategies. Join us as we explore the newest game changers in missile technology and discover what makes each of them so formidable in the modern arms race. The LGM-35A Sentinel is the newest intercontinental ballistic missile, ICBM, being developed by the United States. It is designed to replace the aging Minuteman III, which has been in service for over 50 years. The Sentinel is part of the ground-based strategic deterrent program led by Northrop Grumman. This missile will play a key role in the U.S. nuclear deterrence strategy for the coming decades. With a range of over 6,200 miles, the Sentinel can strike targets anywhere in the world. It reaches speeds of over 15,500 miles per hour, making it extremely difficult to intercept. The missile is also capable of carrying multiple nuclear warheads, each of which can hit a different target independently. One of its most advanced features is its ability to bypass missile defense systems. It uses decoys, advanced countermeasures, and unpredictable flight paths to ensure it reaches its target. Additionally, the Sentinel is equipped with state-of-the-art cybersecurity to protect against hacking and electronic warfare. The first LGM-35A Sentinel missiles are expected to enter service in the early 2030s. The U.S. Air Force plans to keep them operational until at least 2070, ensuring long-term strategic security for the country. Russia has developed one of the most powerful intercontinental ballistic missiles, ICBMs, in history, the RS-28 Sarmat, also known as a Satan II. This next-generation missile is designed to replace the Soviet-era R-36M, which has been in service for decades. The Sarmat is a super-heavy ICBM capable of carrying up to 15 nuclear warheads, each of which can strike a different target independently. Unlike traditional ballistic missiles, it can take an unpredictable flight path, including an approach via the South Pole, completely bypassing U.S. missile defense systems. With a range of over 11,200 miles and a speed of up to 16,000 miles per hour, the Sarmat is virtually unstoppable. It is designed to penetrate any existing missile defense system using advanced countermeasures, decoys, and hypersonic glide vehicles that maneuver mid-flight to evade interception. The missile is silo-based, meaning it is launched from heavily protected underground bunkers. Thanks to its powerful first-stage booster, the Sarmat accelerates so quickly that it leaves enemy radars little time to react. Russia claims that just one Sarmat missile can wipe out an area the size of Texas or France, making it one of the most destructive weapons ever built. The first successful test launch took place in 2022, and full deployment is expected by the late 2020s. With its immense power and cutting-edge technology, the RS-28 Sarmat ensures that Russia remains a dominant force in global strategic deterrence. India is developing its most advanced intercontinental ballistic missile, ICBM, to date, the Agni-VI. This missile is expected to significantly enhance the country's nuclear deterrence capability, allowing India to strike targets far beyond its borders with pinpoint accuracy. The Agni-VI is an evolution of the Agni-V missile, but with longer range, improved maneuverability, and multiple warheads. Unlike its predecessors, this missile will be capable of carrying MIRVs, multiple independently targetable re-entry vehicles, meaning it can strike several different targets at once. With an estimated range of 6,200 to 7,500 miles, Agni-VI will allow India to reach any part of Asia, Europe, and even deep into North America. It is expected to travel at Mach 24 plus over 18,000 miles per hour, making it extremely difficult to intercept. The missile will also feature hypersonic glide capabilities, allowing it to change its trajectory mid-flight to evade enemy missile defenses. The Agni-VI is designed to be launched from underground silos, mobile launchers, and even submarines, giving India the ability to conduct a second strike in case of a nuclear conflict. While the Indian government has not officially confirmed the exact details of the Agni-VI, reports suggest that development is nearing completion, with test launches expected in the coming years. Once deployed, this missile will place India among the elite nations with true intercontinental strike capability, ensuring its place as a major nuclear power on the global stage. China has developed one of the world's most advanced intercontinental ballistic missiles, ICBMs, the DF-41, also known as Dongfeng 41. This missile is a key part of China's nuclear deterrent strategy, giving the country the ability to strike targets anywhere on Earth within 30 minutes. The DF-41 is considered China's most powerful ICBM, with an estimated range of 7,500 to 9,300 miles, making it one of the longest-range missiles in the world. It travels at speeds of over Mach 25, 19,000 miles per hour, making interception by enemy missile defenses nearly impossible. One of its most significant features is its ability to carry up to 10 nuclear warheads using MIRV technology. This means the missile can strike multiple targets at once, dramatically increasing its destructive potential. Unlike older ICBMs, which are mostly silo-based, the DF-41 is highly mobile. It can be launched from Road Mobile Transporter Erector Launchers, TELs, rail systems, and underground silos, making it difficult for enemies to locate and destroy before launch. The DF-41 officially entered service in 2019, strengthening China's ability to conduct a second strike nuclear response if necessary. With its advanced speed, range, and warhead capacity, the DF-41 ensures that China remains one of the most formidable nuclear powers in the world. The United Kingdom relies on the Trident II D5, a submarine-launched ballistic missile, SLBM, that forms the backbone of its nuclear deterrence. While the missile itself was developed in the United States, the UK has heavily invested in an upgrade program to ensure its effectiveness and longevity in service. The Trident II D5 is deployed on the UK's Vanguard-class submarines, providing the country with a survivable and reliable nuclear deterrent. This missile is capable of reaching targets more than 7,500 miles away, making it capable of striking anywhere in the world. With multiple nuclear warheads, ICBMs, the Trident II D5 can deliver up to 8 warheads to different targets simultaneously, ensuring a devastating strike against any adversary. It travels at speeds of over Mach 24, 18,000 miles per hour, making it nearly impossible to intercept by missile defense systems. The UK's submarine fleet provides unmatched mobility and stealth. These submarines can remain submerged for long periods, ensuring that they are always in position to deliver a retaliatory strike if needed. The Trident II D5 is also equipped with advanced guidance systems, ensuring that it can strike with high precision even from long distances. While the Trident II D5 missile has been in service since 1994, the UK is currently working on upgrading both the missile and the Vanguard-class submarines. The next generation nuclear deterrent is expected to enter service by 2030 and will ensure the UK's place as a leading nuclear power for decades to come. And that's a wrap on our journey through the world's most powerful and advanced ballistic missiles. These weapons not only represent the pinnacle of military technology, but also play a crucial role in shaping global security and strategic power. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more in-depth reviews on military technology from around the world, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Which missile do you think is the most powerful? Drop your opinions and questions in the comments below. Your feedback is important to us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more amazing content.